All right, so welcome everyone. Today we're going to add another stock to our portfolio. You guys can see what it is, Ally Financial. I'm going to show you all from the charts perspective as to why we think the stock is due to go up higher and to what price. So if you appreciate the content, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. We're here to give you all a different viewpoint, different idea, perspective that you can also play stocks that are not being talked about, but these stocks also move. All right, so welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe just to stay in tune to the stocks that we are adding to the portfolio. Okay, so now the reason why we're going to talk about Ally Financial is because the market is on the move. You can see that over the last couple of months, this stock has been in an uptrend. It consolidated for a couple of months, I would say between October and November, and then it continued its move to the upside. All right, so we're going to look at this on a longer term chart perspective. This is the reason why I am looking forward to this stock going up. So when you look at this on the weekly chart, okay, first thing we need to do is identify where are all the people at. Okay, so we're going to mark these areas that we suspect the buyers and the sellers to be. We always do that because it's important for us to know where are the people. Okay, because these people will be the ones that will assist us in keeping price going the opposite direction of what we think it's going to do. So like these people who bought Ally Financial around 42 bucks, price comes back down to this area. We will want those same people to come in and buy again to eliminate the stock going any lower. So that's why we identify these places. Okay. So now the market in Ally Financial did break through a sell pocket recently. And this sell pocket goes all the way back to July of 2024. So it's pretty entrenched in the market for Ally Financial. Okay, that was the last time the price hit a high. Market Ally Financial came here on the week of September 15th. It reacted, went down. Buyers brought it right back up to that pocket and eliminated it. So that's very good to see that, because now we need to target the next area for Ally Financial, which is going to be right here. Okay, so this sell pocket goes all the way back to 2022, the week of. So there's definitely some historical time period before price in Ally actually came to these areas. Okay, so this is on the weekly chart. So now let's take a look at Ally Financial on the 2 weeks. You guys can see over the last couple of 2 weekly price bars, the market has definitely been moving, healthy, closing at the high of the bars, which means buyers overpowered the sellers. 2 weeks right here, 4 weeks consecutive, this market has been on the move. And that is off the backs of the people who were accumulating or consolidating this stock, which is good to see. Here is Ally Financial on the 3 weeks. Very, very strong right here. This whole area, all of these 3 weekly price bars is massively strong and bullish. This tells us that these people understood, hey, I need to accumulate, I need to buy more because this stock is going to continue to go up. And it did right here on this 3 weekly price bar. We got the buy signal as well. I don't see no reason why there would be a problem for this stock in Ally Financial to continue to run up. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Even here on the 5 weeks, this is very bullish on the 5 weekly chart. Very, very bullish for 2 reasons. For one, this sell bar right there on the 5 weeks did not give any reward to the sellers, because in the next 5 weeks, the market closed up higher. And then 5 weeks after that, the market ran all the way up and closed at the high of the bar. So there wasn't no reward of the people who was selling Ally Financial. If anything, they lost. So that's one. And then 2 would be that sell pocket that was hindering the market in Ally Financial going all the way back to like March 2022. We closed at above those highs. Again, that's very bullish to see that. Here it is on the monthly chart. 3 hours, 32 minutes. You guys can see we got a buy signal. Again, we got sellers, right? People have seen the market run up in Ally Financial over the last couple of months. It makes sense. It's natural to see the market trying to close off the highs right now. So from off the rip, I would be expecting this stock to try to go lower off the rip. Here it is on the 3 months. 3 hours and 31 minutes left. And this is how the 3 monthly chart looks in Ally Financial. So when you look at this on the 3 months, these three monthly price bars were points to where people wanted the stock to go down. But as you can tell, the buyers kept the price from doing that. The buyers kept the price from going lower because they were buying this whole time. So yeah, this gives us even more confirmation that this stock is maintaining its strength and its ability to continue to go up. Here it is on a 12 months chart. So this is all of the price action for Ally Financial on every year. Every price bar you see is a year's worth of price action. And as you can tell, this stock is not trying to go down. You can look at it on the 12 months and this market is making higher lows on the yearly chart. Okay, so we're going to add this to the portfolio. Now we're going to run this. I think we might play this on the weekly chart and not do it on the daily. Let me see what the daily look like. Okay, so yeah, there is still potential to see the stock go down. Namely, let me circle it to the areas that I think the market could try to run to. This one or this area. Okay, so we're going to hold these areas there just to show that we understand that there's potential for the market to run down to this area and bounce to both those areas. Okay, so let's put this on the daily chart. Okay, and we're going to target these sell pockets up here at the top. So the first one's going to be around like $49.25 all the way up here to $51. You guys can see it's like 11%, almost 12% move to the upside there. Then we're going to run our second target at $52.60 all the way up there around $54. That gives us 19% there. And long term, like 3 months, 6 months out, maybe around like $55, we could potentially see this stock run towards. It might be even longer than that, considering all of the people who are just waiting for price to come back so that they can break even. Like they've been waiting for like 3 years. So we're going to add this to the chart and we're going to add it to the portfolio as well. So today is the 31st. And it is Ally Financial. And the current price is $45.43. Okay, so we'll come back and look at these stocks that are already sitting in the portfolio and see how they're performing. That's how you actually come in and evaluate how your portfolio is performing, is to come in and see what has price done and if it's still going according to your thoughts. And if it is, let it ride. If it's not, cut it, look for another opportunity. So that's what we're going to do every so often on this channel, is also review these stocks as well. But as you can tell, they're still here. There's only one stock that we actually got rid of that we put on the 17th of December. It only took it 2 days. I got our 13% and we move on to the next play. So that is where we're at right now. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.